last 50 years, the career playbook was simple. Get good grades, go to a good school, get a safe job, and climb the ladder. That playbook is now obsolete. You feel it, don't you? That sense of uncertainty, that feeling that the ground is shifting beneath your feet. AI isn't just a new tool, it's a force of nature that is fundamentally rewriting the rules of work. The headlines scream about job losses, but they're missing the real story. The real threat isn't that your job will be taken by AI, it's that the very concept of a job is being abstracted away. And this creates a void, but it also creates the single biggest career opportunity of the next 50 years, if you know how to see it. This isn't the first time a massive technological shift has happened. When the tractor was invented, millions of farmers didn't just become tractor operators. The entire job of farming was transformed, freeing up labor for factories. A new economy was born. When computers arrived, they didn't just replace secretaries with typists. They abstracted away entire layers of information management, creating the knowledge worker. AI is the next great abstraction. It's taking over the repetitive, predictable, cognitive tasks, just like the tractor took over the repetitive, physical ones. Trying to compete by doing those same tasks just a little bit better is a losing game. The goal is not to be a better cog in the machine. The goal is to become an architect of a new machine. So what takes its place? Welcome to the Artisan Economy. And no, I don't just mean people selling crafts on Etsy.
Welcome back to the show.
All right, team, let's talk strategy. This design needs a bit more.
An artisan is anyone who creates unique value through a combination of skill, creativity, and personal perspective. It's the financial analyst who doesn't just run the numbers, but builds a trusted community around their unique take on the market. It's the marketer who doesn't just run ads, but creates a brand that people truly love. It's the developer who doesn't just write code, but creates elegant solutions to complex problems with a distinct point of view. In this economy, your security doesn't come from a job title. It doesn't come from a corporation. It comes from a community that trusts you. To operate in this new economy, you need to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a business. I call this building your personal enterprise. This isn't just a fancy term for freelancing. A freelancer trades time for money. A personal enterprise builds assets. Your most important assets are, first, your skill stack. Not just one skill, but your unique combination. Maybe you're great at data analysis and public speaking. That's a powerful stack. Second, your proof of work. A portfolio of public, verifiable evidence that you can deliver results. And third, your trust network. An audience is passive, a network is active. It's a community that not only consumes your work, but advocates for you. Your goal is to build these assets relentlessly. Now, here's the critical part that most people miss. What happens when everyone tries to do this? The market gets incredibly crowded and noisy. How does real talent get discovered? This is where the next layer of the internet is being built. I call it the orchestration layer. Think of it like this. Right now, LinkedIn is like a giant, messy phone book. You have to search through it manually. The orchestration layer is different. It's a smarter system built on your proof of work. It might be a decentralized network, a DAO, where your reputation is verified by other respected artisans. Or it could be a highly specialized curation guild, like a Michelin guide for tech talent, that stakes its reputation on finding and certifying the best people. Getting your work validated by these emerging trust networks will be the single most important way to cut through the noise. Your job isn't just to create, it's to get your work seen and verified by the right people and platforms. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds like just a ton of work. And you're right, it is. But it's focused work on building something you own. Or, isn't this just for creative types? Absolutely not. This applies to engineers, lawyers, accountants, project managers. It's about how you apply your skill and the reputation you build around it. The most common question is, where do I even start? You don't need to quit your job and launch a YouTube channel tomorrow. The journey begins with a single small mindset shift and one simple question. What is the one thing you know or can do that your friends always ask you about? Your journey to building a personal enterprise starts right here with this one question. What is that intersection of your skill and your passion that people already seek you out for? That's the seed. Start by writing about it, not for an audience, but for yourself. Clarify your own thinking. That's the first step. This is obviously a huge topic. I've written a much more detailed blueprint on my blog that covers the orchestration layer, how to compete in a crowded market, and a full step-by-step guide. If you're serious about this, it's required reading. The link is right below in the description or in the first comment. The world of work is changing faster than ever, but it's not something to fear. It's a future you can design. So, what's your first move going to be? Leave a comment below and let me know the answer to that question. Thanks for watching.